Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Podio have a desktop app? I've been using Podio for a few years now, and I've found it to be a really powerful and versatile project management tool. I've also been getting a lot of questions from viewers about whether or not Podio has a desktop app. So, let's get started and find out the answer. What is Podio? Before we get into the question of whether or not Podio has a desktop app, let's take a quick look at what Podio is. Podio is a project management tool that can be used to track tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with team members. It has a variety of features, including tasks. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Projects. You can create projects, add tasks to them, and set deadlines. Collaborations. You can collaborate with team members on tasks and projects. Workspaces. You can create workspaces to organize your projects and tasks. Workflows. You can create workflows to automate tasks and processes. Podio is available as a web-based application, as well as a mobile app for iOS and Android. Does Podio have a desktop app? The answer to the question, does Podio have a desktop app, is yes and no. Podio does not have a native desktop app for Windows or Mac OS. However, you can use the Podio web app in your browser on your desktop or laptop. There are a few third-party desktop apps that can be used to access Podio. However, these apps are not officially supported by Podio, and they may not be compatible with the latest version of Podio. How to use Podio on your desktop? If you want to use Podio on your desktop, you can do so in one of two ways. Use the Podio web app in your browser. This is the easiest way to access Podio on your desktop. You can simply open your web browser and navigate to the Podio website. Use a third-party desktop app. There are a few third-party desktop apps that can be used to access Podio. However, these apps are not officially supported by Podio, and they may not be compatible with the latest version of Podio. Benefits of using Podio on your desktop. There are a few benefits to using Podio on your desktop. You can access Podio offline. If you have an internet connection, you can access Podio offline. This can be helpful if you're working on a project in a remote location or if you don't have access to the internet. You can use Podio on multiple devices. You can access Podio on your desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. This can be helpful if you need to access your projects and tasks from different devices. You can use Podio with keyboard shortcuts. You can use keyboard shortcuts to quickly navigate and perform tasks in Podio. This can be helpful if you're a power user of Podio. Disadvantages of using Podio on your desktop. There are also a few disadvantages to using Podio on your desktop. You need to have an internet connection to use Podio online. If you don't have an internet connection, you won't be able to access Podio. Third-party desktop apps may not be compatible with the latest version of Podio. If you use a third-party desktop app, you may need to update the app when Podio releases a new version. So, does Podio have a desktop app? The answer is yes and no. Podio does not have a native desktop app, but you can use the web app in your browser or a third-party desktop app. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile project management tool that you can use on your desktop, then Podio is a great option. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Podio on your desktop. Use the Podio keyboard shortcuts. There are a number of keyboard shortcuts that you can use to quickly navigate and perform tasks in Podio. Customize your Podio workspace. You can customize your Podio workspace to make it more personal and productive. Use Podio's integrations. Podio integrates with a number of other tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This can help you to automate tasks and processes. Thank you for watching.